by only creating documentation just before it's needed and ensuring that the documentation is in the most useful form that it can be, your team can save both time and effort. In the example we previously looked at, the product was developed much faster and more accurately when the team used just-in-time documentation. The stakeholders were involved in the creation of the project vision. They were also involved throughout the product development through scheduled ceremonies, where the latest developments could be reviewed and feedback offered. They haven't wasted time creating documentation for parts of the product that could end up being obsolete. Just-in-time documentation allows the team to get started on the development process sooner, which in turn means they can deliver value sooner.